Hello and welcome to this review of the Honbobo quick release mount for Insta360 Ace and Ace Pro. Now I ordered Honbobo mount and it was £25, and you'll notice this is Magician. Maybe it's exactly the same. I didn't go for the Insta360 official one because it would take a lot longer to arrive and it was a lot more money. So let's get this open and review it. So that's all you get in the box. This is it. So it is a magnetic mount like so, and on the bottom it has a tripod thread, and it also has the GoPro flaps, I'm going to call them, the GoPro flaps, and they magnetically swing back into place. So you can take your Insta360 Ace Pro or Ace and you can attach it like so, and it's going to stay on. There's no locking mechanism here. If you want to release it, you have to push these clasps in like so, but it now adds a tripod socket to the bottom whilst retaining the GoPro flaps. And I don't know why Insta360 didn't just put this in the kit when you buy the Ace or the Ace Pro. The one they give you is this, and this is fine. This one here, it's more plasticky, it's bigger, but the problem with this one is you need one of these adapters. So this will only go on a GoPro mount, so you need one of these adapters like so if you want to mount this onto anything with a 1/4 inch thread, like a tripod or a selfie stick or anything like that. And like me, you might struggle. So I don't think this is great, because even if you do this up really tight, this is still in the way. And even if you do it up really tight, this can always move. And this infuriates me about things that just use GoPro mounts. They can move like so. Whereas with this is going to stay there, and this is going to allow you to easily add this to anything with a 1/4 inch thread like so. And if I want to take it off the tripod or the selfie stick, I can just do that. To me, that's a lot easier. There isn't really too much to say about this type of product. Either it works or it doesn't. This one seems to work. It was cheaper than the Insta360 version, so I'm very happy. The only quibble I have is the names don't quite line up. Thank you, goodbye.